12 incredible benefits of baking soda that you should know. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a popular ingredient used in baking. It provides fluffiness and light texture to bread, cakes, muffins, and cookies. But that's not all. This miracle product sitting in the back of your fridge can help you in so many different ways. From easing sunburns to treating life-threatening diseases, baking soda can do it all. In today's video, we will share with you the 12 incredible benefits of baking soda that can significantly improve your health and life. Number 1. Baking soda helps treat heartburn. Baking soda is one of the oldest and most common remedies for heartburn. When taken by mouth, it produces a chemical that acts as an antacid and helps reduce acid reflux by reducing the amount of acid in the digestive tract. It can be used alone or in combination with other treatments for heartburn, such as over-the-counter antacids or prescription medications. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water for instant relief. However, it should only be used for a short time, no more than 24 hours, as it can cause side effects, including diarrhea. Don't use it if you are taking any medications that affect your stomach, including antidepressants, antihistamines, diabetes medications, or blood thinners. Number 2. Improves oral health. Baking soda is a great addition to your oral care routine. It has many benefits, including the ability to remove plaque and inhibit the growth of bacteria that leads to bad breath and periodontal diseases. It can also be used as an ingredient in homemade toothpaste. Simply mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda with an equal amount of coconut oil and apply to your teeth as you would with conventional toothpaste. You can also add essential oils like peppermint or spearmint to make sure you have a pleasant taste experience while brushing. Number 3. Relief for irritated, itchy skin. Baking soda is an excellent natural ingredient that can be used in many ways to improve the health and appearance of your skin. It helps control excess oil production by attracting and holding water molecules in place. Doing so increases the moisture level of the skin and helps remove dirt from pores without leaving any residue. Baking soda also has antimicrobial properties that help fight skin rashes, bumps, and infections. Studies also prove its effectiveness against bug bites and bee stings, so add it to your face mask or in a lukewarm bath for these amazing benefits. Number 4. Relieves arthritis pain. A study published in the Journal of Immunology concluded that drinking water mixed with baking soda reduces the risk of getting inflammatory conditions like arthritis. It works by absorbing acidic waste products that build up in your body when you're experiencing inflammation. In addition to reducing inflammation, sodium bicarbonate also helps to reduce pain by reducing swelling and muscle spasms. This makes it a great choice for people dealing with arthritis symptoms like stiffness, fatigue, and joint pain. It also reduces the risk of joint injury by protecting cartilage cells from damage. Number 5. Treats kidney disease. When you have kidney disease, your kidneys don't work as they should, which leads to problems with the chemicals in your blood. A daily dose of sodium bicarbonate can help remove acid from the blood and slows the progression of CKD. A study published in the journal Clinical Science shows that taking sodium bicarbonate supplements reduces inflammation and improves kidney function. However, it is important to consult your physician before taking it, and one should not use it as a preventive measure to reduce the risk of kidney ailments. Number 6. Removes pesticides. Sure, cleaning fruits and vegetables in water removes dirt and germs, but it is not enough to remove the pesticides on the skin. That's where baking soda comes in handy. A study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that when apples are soaked in the solution of baking soda for a few minutes, it removes nearly all pesticide residue from the skin. So next time you bring fresh fruits and vegetables, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a bowl of cold water and dip them in it for a few minutes. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Improves certain cancers. Baking soda cannot cure cancer. However, there is some evidence that it can boost the effectiveness of cancer treatments like chemotherapy. A study published in the journal Integrative Cancer Therapies shows that baking soda reduces tumor acidity, making them an easier target for chemotherapy. It also targets the dormant cells and prevents cancer from returning. Consult with your healthcare provider before using baking soda so they can closely monitor how your body responds to it. Number 8. Soothes canker sores. Baking soda is a great home remedy for canker sores because it has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in half a glass of water, gargle this solution for a few minutes, and then spit it out. It also relieves symptoms of canker sores by softening the irritated area and making it less painful. Baking soda is a non-abrasive alkaline agent that will not harm healthy tissue. However, if used in excess, it can irritate and damage the tissue, so it is best to talk to your doctor before using baking soda as an alternative remedy for canker sores. Number 9. Improves exercise performance. Many studies show that taking sodium bicarbonate before exercise has a positive effect on athletic performance. It makes the body more capable of dealing with strenuous exercise for a longer time. During high-intensity exercise, our body releases chemicals into muscle tissues like lactate and hydrogen ions. They lower the pH inside your cells, causing your muscles to tire. Sodium bicarbonate buffers these chemicals and helps the body maintain a balanced pH, making exercise more tolerable. Number 10. Clear the air. Baking soda has been known for its ability to clean and disinfect surfaces for a long time. It is widely used in households as an effective household cleaner due to its ability to remove stains from dishes, freshen laundry, and eliminate odors. It is also an effective air purifier as it can absorb and hold on to airborne toxins, killing bacteria and germs in the air. Because of these properties, it is a great alternative to commercial air fresheners. Put it in a small glass jar with a few drops of your favorite essential oil and cover it with thin fabric or a small piece of paper. The bad odor should be gone in a few hours. Number 11. Clear clogged drains. One of the worst things about cleaning a bathroom is dealing with gross drains. Baking soda has a solution for this too. It is effective at breaking up clogs caused by hair or soap scum. Simply mix baking soda with water in a bowl and pour it down the drain. The baking soda will create a foaming effect that will break up the buildup of gunk in your pipes. This method is also helpful for removing mineral deposits that build up in pipes due to the flow of hard water for a long time. Number 12. Keep silverware and steel shiny. Baking soda can keep your silverware and steel shiny and bright. You just need a few extra ingredients like an aluminum pan or pan lined with aluminum foil and white vinegar. Put the tarnished silver in the pan. Next, pour in water and a tablespoon of baking soda and white vinegar. The tarnish will begin to disappear as silver undergoes a chemical reaction and transfer the tarnish onto the aluminum pan, leaving a pale yellow residue at the bottom. So are you ready to get the most from this amazing household product? But remember, it is beneficial in small amounts. Using large amounts of baking soda as a home remedy has some risks, including poisoning and toxicity. Don't use it for more than 2 weeks at a time. If you are pregnant or taking any medication, make sure to consult your physician even before consuming a small amount, as it can interfere with the absorption of medicines. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!